The city of Roorkee is the home to the holy river Ganga and also houses Asia's first technical university, now known as the IIT Roorkee. The people here are happy in their own small lives and are full of love. But they are also full of food. In the next 5 minutes, we are going to take you on a journey to this small city and show you what this place has to offer in terms of food. What comes to your mind when you think about pizza? Domino's? Pizza Hut? Here's a different deal. Street style paneer makhni pizza. Made with pouring a lot of mayonnaise and pizza sauce on a soft pizza base. This is followed by adding a generous amount of paneer. Now comes the magical part. This tangy makhni sauce is what makes it so special. Lastly, the pizza is topped with lots of veggies. Looks delicious, doesn't it? Now it's time to place our pizza in an oven. And what comes out is heavenly. This pizza is also sprinkled with lots of masala and spices, something that you will never find in popular pizza outlets. And that's it. Enjoy your delicious street style makhni pizza. Next on our list is the special masala Maggi from Bhatia Maggi Point. This place is situated near IIT and thus is a popular joint among college students. I personally have a lot of memories associated with this place. This was a time when our classes would get over and we would cycle to this place for a bowl of Maggi. Now you must be wondering what's so great about this place. A Maggi is simply a Maggi. Well, you'll change your mind once you see how it's made. Unlike the normal Maggi, this one is prepared using lots of vegetables such as tomatoes and a mix of various other spices. Next goes in is the star of our show, our Maggi, and of course 2 packets of masala Maggi. Now finally, our Maggi is let to cook and then poured on a paper bowl. And it doesn't stop there. It is sprinkled with lots of cheese. Our spicy and soupy Maggi is here. Maggi by the side of IIT Roorkee. Can it get better than this? A few meters from Bhatia Maggie Point is a popular momo joint known as Sikkim Momos. Run by two brothers from Northeast, this place attracts a lot of momo lovers. Also, did I tell you that this place is purely dedicated to momos of different varieties? Just one look of these momos will make sure you crave for them, and that's a promise.